I was under a lot of pressure related to the finance, mainly on the EMIs and the loans part. 60 to 65 approximately, the total salary was going on EMI part. Correct.
Now, how much reduction you have seen?
It is 35%, sir. It is in the span of 40 days, 35 to 40 days. More time I'm spending now with the family from the last 1 month. Yes, I can consider for the 1 month just to become EMI free and plan your life in a secured and overall like wealth point of view. If you want to see any change, definitely I advise you to take this action.
वेलकम एवरीबॉडी टू येट अनदर सक्सेस इंटरव्यू। आज मेरे साथ मेरे कम्युनिटी मेंबर वेंकट हैं। आज वो अपने बारे में बताएंगे, आपकी सक्सेस जर्नी बताएंगे। सो लेट्स कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट वेंकट फॉर बीइंग हियर। हेलो, वेलकम।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Rohit, sir.
सो वेंकट, आई वुड लाइक यू टू शेयर, अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताइए। आप कहाँ रहते हो, क्या करते हो, कौन कौन है फैमिली में?
Yeah. So I'm Venkat Raghavan. I stay in Hyderabad. So my family members are like my parents live along with me. I'm married in last 2 years back. So waiting for the kids to arrive. So that is about the background. As part of the IT industry, right? So on the software side. Yeah. So that's the overall background. Yeah.
थैंक यू। सो वेंकट, थोड़ा शेयर करना चाहेंगे, व्हाट वाज द मोमेंट यू डिसाइडेड कि यार अब बहुत हो गया, मतलब जो भी, व्हाट वाज द करंट सिचुएशन दैट वाज गोइंग ऑन व्हेन यू आप कम्युनिटी का पार्ट बने? मे बी दैट विल बी बेटर।
Yeah. So I was under a lot of pressure related to the finance, mainly on the EMIs and the loans part. I have chosen multiple options, take the suggestions from the friend, but later on, yes, social media is one of the best influencer on the helpful guide if you take it in a positive way. So I came across your videos, sir, on the YouTube as well as Instagram. So that actually turned me on. I have came across multiple financial advising videos, but I don't know, like maybe after the success sharing videos which I have seen, right? So that inspired me and taken a step, maybe an action I can say. So that actually changed me to take the action, and now I'm here to provide my success journey.
वाओ। सो वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर कि कितना परसेंटेज आपकी ईएमआई का सैलरी का ईएमआई में जाता था बिफोर यू केम टू द कम्युनिटी?
It is 60 to 65 approximately, the total salary was going on EMI part.
EMI.
Yeah.
And I can understand your situation में you might be very stressful. So
Yes.
would you like to share कि how it was impacting your life when everything was going into the EMIs? Like 65% is a big amount, right?
Yes.
So when it was going there, so how was you feeling about it?
Yeah, so the initial once the salary is getting credited, I need to wait for the EMIs to be deducted and then plan for any other things, like it can be an emergency or any event, any like health issues. So I used to depend upon the credit card or any other sources, asking friends, something like that. So that was the most difficult part for me, because all the money was going with these kind of EMIs. So that is a major reason. Yeah.
Okay. And did any time you feel like यार अब बहुत हो गया and I need to come out now?
Many times I can say, like many times I have to live, whether initially while taking the loan, I felt like based upon friends and others advice, I used to take the loan. Okay, so I felt like I have taken the wise decision by taking the loans. But later on, after paying and continuously paying, right? So then it was very hectic for me. And one example I would like to share you, sir, the credit card, I was paying minimum amount for almost 2 years. I realized that every month I used to, almost, because amount money was not there. Then this is additional information, sir. So later I realized after 2 years I had a call with the customer care. Then I realized I paid 72,000 overall, just excess, but still outstanding remained the same.
Remain the same, yes.
Remained the same, yeah.
Yeah. Even you might have understood in the community also that whatever amount आप जो उसमें देते हो, minimum amount में, it's like आप अपना ट्रबल को सिर्फ एक्सटेंड कर रहे हो.
Yes.
Nothing is going towards that amount, right? So बहुत सारे लोग इस मामले में ये सोचते हैं कि वो उनके ईएमआई में जा रहा है, but nothing is going like that.
Nothing is.
Right. And what type of fears आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारे fears या doubts रहे होंगे before joining the session, because before joining the community, because आपने इसके पहले भी बहुत सारी चीजें देखी होंगी या समझी होंगी, and you might be having your own doubts. So would you like to share something around that?
Yeah. So first major thing is whether the community is genuine. First thing that was in my mind, but later on after the videos, I started trusting the community. And the other thing is you can expect some kind of frauds. So people say you invest somewhere, get so much of benefit. I have seen many friends investing some of the bitcoins or some other sources where they will see the initial money in the starting days, but later on it is all fraud. So I don't want to be part of that. So I have done some exploratory thing on your videos, and I have seen comments, many of the things. So then I thought, okay, let's take a chance that even if it is something wrong, also it will be a lesson for me. But it turned out to be an extreme, like complete life coach for me, I can say.
तो पूरा रिसर्च करके आए थे मतलब.
Definitely, sir, I done.
नाइस, गुड. एंड एक्चुअल में होना भी चाहिए बिकॉज इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू राइट नाउ इन दिस वर्ल्ड. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो फ्रॉड्स भी करते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम अपने लेवल पे चेक करें बिकॉज दैट इज द रीजन पीपल गेट इनटू द स्कैम्स. बट इट्स गुड कि यू अंडरस्टूड, यू टुक योर रिसर्च एंड देन यू फाइनलाइज कि हाँ मुझे करना है बिकॉज यू वांटेड टू कम आउट बिकॉज उसके साथ में करना है, लेकिन उसके साथ में वो कमिटमेंट आपने जोड़ा. सो दैट वाज गुड पार्ट. सो आई एम श्योर आपने कुछ और ट्राई किया था इसके पहले, कुछ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस मे बी फ्रेंड्स के साथ, कुछ
Yes,
एप्स वगैरह.
apps not try sir, because I was seeing so much of fraud instances on the apps, so I did not went to the apps. But I tried the friends advisors, like taking a loan, right? So that is the easiest way and the quickest way. So that trouble, I mean that was the trouble part. As I told initially, it will be happy, and I felt like wise decision, but it's not the wise.
So it's like कि आपने ऑलरेडी चेक किया होगा, बट दे टोल्ड कि एक और लोन ले लो, एंड देन यू अंडरस्टूड दैट इट वाज इजियर एट दैट मोमेंट, बट बाद में समझ में आया कि इट वाज नॉट हेल्पिंग यू.
Yeah.
वो आपका प्रॉब्लम और बढ़ा रहा था, राइट?
Yes, yes. And one thing, sir, the money what I have taken is not for the personal thing. It's just responsibilities, sister's marriage and other things, houses. So those things I have taken the loans, not for the any extra unplanned.
So it's good, like कई बार आपकी लाइफ में मतलब इट्स लाइक लोन्स के डिफरेंट रीजंस हो सकते हैं. आपकी केस में वो कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट नीड्स थी, राइट? बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट उसको हम डिले नहीं कर सकते थे. So for that you took it. And what made you trust the process, या what was the first step जो आपने कम्युनिटी में लिया, जो आपको ट्रस्ट किया प्रोसेस में? लाइक आपने जैसे बोला कि आपने कुछ रिसर्च किया था. Any other thing that you would like to highlight?
The thing is, sir, the follow up from the group, like whenever initial days, right, before joining the team, and the follow up, and we had the one-to-one sessions, sir, which is I can say the most trusting part even after the joining, I can say. So the one-to-one, it is almost 30 to 40 minutes where I shared all my personal things. You kept on listening to those all the personal things. Then we slightly moved to the financial part. What are the problems? And post that, yeah. So after discussing with you, and you guided some solutions. It is not like you're charging, like you are taking some extra money. It is like our own money that you are managing and keeping it in a correct place in a correct way. So that guidance you have given, which is the most convincing part, I can say, in that call. So that is one of the thing.
Okay. And now the important part, क्या result generate किया है आपने? Like as you said that 60-65% of your EMI used to go towards the salary आपका EMI में जाता था.
Correct.
Now how much reduction you have seen?
It is 35%, sir. It is in the span of 40 days, 35 to 40 days, because the process to close those loans took time. Even at the time of closure loan, so I faced few of the challenges. You have resolved that. You start me paying like some extra 50,000 from the bank loan. So that is also one of the good thing I can say. I said like 50K. So overall it is 35%, sir. So it is 1 month as of now. And I'm expecting like from the next month I could see that reflection of the 35% of amount now.
And how do you feel just thinking about it itself? Because अभी तो next month से आएगा आपके account में.
Yes.
But you will be having that money. So how do you feel about that? क्या लगता है अभी?
So at present I'm stress free, sir, with that, because the house loan is anyways will be going on. The remaining amount what I'm having, and based upon the morning calls what we are having, right, the magical club. So daily we have some inspiring videos and inspiring like what you can say, the gains on the daily basis. The people will be sharing their wins, right? So that actually turned out to be a very great thing. I'm implementing and writing down the checkpoints what need to be done, and from that I started thinking about the investments. So not only the money that I'm going to save from the next month, but I'm thinking about the investment That is what I have learned from the morning sessions. Yeah.
Nice. And सो वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर के कई बार लोगों के डाउट्स रहते हैं कि अगर ये ठीक है 1 महीने में हो तो गया है बट स्टिल बहुत टाइम एफर्ट्स लगे होंगे. वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर कि आपके कितना टाइम एफर्ट्स लगे थे इस पूरे प्रोसेस में?
It is also like 40 days is what I have seen overall the result what I have seen clearly.
Time efforts means our interaction. हमारा
Oh,
interaction
okay. On a daily basis, it is I am spending only 1 to 2 hours approximately.
that is about the magic club, right? Magic club.
Magic, as well as the other things like interacting with the with our mentors, like some of the advisors I'm getting in touch. So as of now, I'm spending like 2 hours approximately. At present, I'm saying 2 hours.
You're spending on the learning part, but जो हमारा लोन प्रोसेस का हम लोग तो बात कर रहे थे कि जो लोन रिडक्शन हुआ उसमें how much you think like कि हमारा इंटरेक्शन कितना हुआ था and कितना टाइम लगा? That way I was asking.
It went for few days, sir. On the daily basis hours means I can say like I interacted with you like multiple times on that process, and going to the bank and other processing everything. It took almost, I can say, 2 hours. More than 2 hours I spent on a daily basis in the main process is what I'm trying to say.
The starting one.
Yeah. So later it extended for a few more days, but after the closure, right? I'm still working on the time to spend on that.
So do you feel that the time was worth spending?
Definitely, sir. As you can see me like earlier, how I was appearing, and now like stress free and EMI free, I can say.
Yeah, I still remember that when you were talking, हम लोग जब first time बात कर रहे थे, like you had a smile at that moment also, but वो smile में और आज के smile में बहुत अंतर है, right? Now you can smile openly, so that is the best part about it.
Yes, sir.
And how do you think your life has started changing now? The confidence level, maybe savings, family time, goals, anything that you want to share?
Yes, I am spending, I can say like more time I'm spending now with the family from the last 1 month. Yes, I can consider for the 1 month because I never used to wake up early in the morning because of the morning magic club, right? I'm waking up early and I'm getting at least 1 hour extra time. So I'm giving that 1 hour extra for my exercise or some other things and helping in the home for some home needs, right? So some way I'm supporting the team or being part of the daily activities which actually involved in interaction within the family members, or else it was like daily wake up, go to the office, come back and do the same routine. So this actually changed. I mean, after joining the community, there are few things like this, spending time with the family, even on the weekends, right? So all those came into the picture. I'm seeing some difference overall.
So based on what you shared, I would like to highlight a point. Maybe it is right or wrong. You can correct me over it. कि जब हमारे ऊपर ऑलरेडी EMI स्ट्रेस रहता है तो समवेयर हम चाहते हैं कि यार टाइम ज़्यादा स्पेंड ना करें फैमिली के साथ. मे बी अगर कुछ एक्सपेंसेस की बात हो गई या तो आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट एंड तो इसलिए आई विल बी अवे. ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन ना रहे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा. इवन वीकेंड्स में भी हम ये प्रेफर करते हैं.
Yes, that happened to me, sir. Yes.
But now you understand कि ऐसा सिचुएशन नहीं है. So it's like you want to have the life openly with confidence.
Yes, sir. One thing I would like to say, sir, today is 23rd July. Generally, after 10th of every month, I don't see any money. I will depend on my credit cards. So it is 23rd July. Still, I'm seeing some good amount of balance in my account. So, yeah, that is one of the success thing I can say in the day, in the first month after the first month.
I feel so happy when I see everyone, जो जितने भी रिजल्ट जनरेट होते हैं, जो हैप्पीनेस मैं लोगों के चेहरे पे देखा हूँ ना, that is I will say is the feeling जिसके लिए मुझे काम करने में मजा आता है. I want to help people more and more. That is the happiness that when I see in people's face.
Yes.
And that's a great thing I will say. So do you now feel a more कि आपकी लाइफ में कंट्रोल है आपका अपने फाइनेंसेस के ऊपर, आप एक कॉन्फिडेंस इंसान के साथ जी पा रहे?
Yes, sir. I'm seeing that confidence because I was part of your trainings, right? It can be an insurance part, it can be on the EMI or any other things. So those advices I have implemented. I'm seeing that in future or in the future from the next month, I could able to plan something for my retirement, something for my long-term goals, and something on the investment part, like investing in the funds. So you were guiding all those things. So even the Pradeep sir has guiding very beautifully, like extraordinary. So I started working with the Pradeep sir as well since yesterday. So I think those will definitely generate some a good amount for the emergency funds and all those whichever I discussed.
Yeah. So you have started learning on the multiple source of income also now, right?
Yes, sir.
That's great thing. So that's a very good thing because पहले हमारा पैसा जहाँ EMIs में जा रहा था वही पैसा हमारे पास बच रहा है एंड उसी पैसे को हम यूटिलाइज करके एक बड़े फंड की भी प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं साथ में वी आर लर्निंग मोर थिंग्स ऑल्सो दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग एंड वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर कि हमने जब डिस्कस किया था आपका प्लान के नेक्स्ट मंथ से जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करेंगे हाउ मच दैट अमाउंट विल बी जनरेटिंग फॉर यू
So it was a calculated one, sir. So you want me to share that number or something?
You can share that number, whatever we discussed. The final number, जो आपको हमने डिस्कस किया था कि इतना कॉर्पस हम क्रिएट कर पाएंगे बाय द EMI जो हम रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, it came around 1.5 CR or 2 CR, sir, what I remember.
1.5 CR. Yeah, great. So कैसा लगता है सोच के कि वही पैसा हमारा बैंक के पास जा रहा था एंड नाउ दैट मनी आपके लिए वेल्थ क्रिएट करेगा.
Yes, sir. That is one of the eye-opening part that I have seen. So definitely, like whatever the money that you're going to pay to the money to the bank. So obviously, based on your advice, if I try to optimize the loan, right? So definitely that amount will be again coming back to us in terms of if you plan for the long term.
Right. And वो affirmation जो हम लोग करते हैं ना, you work hard for money or the money works harder for me. Yes. So that's the most important thing. Yes. And एक क्वेश्चन जो शायद आप सोचना नहीं चाहोगे बट स्टिल आई वांट टू आस्क यू कि व्हाट वुड हैव हैपेंड अगर आपने ये EMIs को कंट्रोल नहीं किया होता, आपने ये स्टेप नहीं लिया होता कम्युनिटी में ज्वाइन करने का या ये चीज़ों को ऑप्टिमाइज करने का, तो कभी आपने सोचा है कि हाउ थिंग्स वुड हैव बीन?
Same thing should have been happened, sir. The same EMIs on monthly basis, whatever is, it should be in the same process every month. And also the stress remains the same, maybe some additional stress, additional things will be added, right? So definitely, yeah, the thing actually changed overall, sir, joining the club.
Got it. And क्या आप शेयर करना चाहोगे उन लोगों के साथ जो आज कहीं ना कहीं आज EMI प्रेशर में हैं एंड वो हेजिटेट करते हैं कई बार लोगों से हेल्प लेने के लिए, सो या वो एक्शन नहीं ले पाते, सो व्हाट यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर टू देम?
Yeah, so for them who are maybe my story could probably touch them or inspire them. The thing is, even I was in the same part. So I took that action of joining, taking an excellent advising team like you, sir. So I took that action actually. So thinking and planning is, I felt like enough. So let's take some action, and I have seen that result ultimately. So without taking an action, like we may have a number of ideas in the mind, but until you start applying it, you can't see the result. So that is what I believe. So ultimately, that one part of action that I have taken 1 month back, right? So that changed.
Any 2-3 key lessons जो आप शेयर करना चाहोगे लोगों के साथ, जो आपने सीखा है या कुछ माइंडसेट शिफ्ट्स आपके अंदर आए हुए इस टाइम पीरियड में जब से हम साथ में हैं?
Yeah. So one major thing is, sir, it is a difference between the needs and wants thing, because now, in the present time, right, everything is on app. You get the notifications, even if it is required or not. So I stopped it, even though if it is available, I stopped it and seeing that if it is really required or it is just a want for us. So based on that, I started taking the action. So that is one major thing, sir. And also what I have seen, sir, people are discussing in the call on the stocks. They are investing. I'm poor at the stocks, so I'm looking forward to learn more on the stock fund side. So you were advising a few good things like not to invest more or don't expect anything in a short term. So take some time. You need to have some patience and invest based upon the guidance. So all those things that I have learned, sir. So yeah.
So learning first and earning later.
Yeah.
Right.
In the learning itself, we have the earning. So
great. So and for those who are watching this video and they are feeling stuck today, what's the one thing जो आप उन लोगों के साथ share करना चाहते हो from your heart? Yeah.
So just to become EMI free, and plan your life in a secured and overall like wealth point of view. If you want to see any change, definitely I advise you to take this action. So be part of this group. Definitely, that's going to change a lot of. You have seen many success stories from this group. I am also one of the part. I have seen that, and happy to share, because the day when I was discussing with Rohit sir, I remember, sir, I would like to give a video once I get the success. If I see the success, now after 40 days approximately, I'm here providing my video on the success story. So I suggest you, if you are looking for a good mentor or a coach, then here we have Rohit sir and Pradeep sir.
Thank you so much, Venkat, for that. And we would like to end the session with the important thing that we used to say: if I can do it, so can you. Would you like to repeat that?
If I can do it, so you can.
If I can do it, so can you. वापस से with the power.
If I can do it, so you can do.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. For everybody who is watching this video, I would just say कि आप वीडियो के एंड तक आए हैं, so it means कि ये प्रॉब्लम आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. So do not refrain yourself, एक्शन लीजिए. एंड इस वीडियो के नीचे एक लिंक है, उस पर जाके रजिस्टर कर लीजिए, so that we can understand and help you. Thank you so much and keep taking actions so that आप भी इस EMI स्ट्रेस से बाहर आएँ and अपनी लाइफ चेंज करें, जैसे वेंकट और बहुत सारे मेरे मेंटीज ने किया. थैंक यू वेंकट अगेन.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.